Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Class, the place where you learn real English for real life.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel, and today we have a very exciting topic.
Yes, we do. Today, we're talking about something everyone loves, traveling.
That's right. In this episode, you will learn useful travel vocabulary, real-life conversations, pronunciation tips, and common mistakes to avoid.
So whether you are traveling soon or just dreaming about it, this lesson will help you speak English confidently.
Let's pack our bags and get started.
Part 1. Talking about travel plans. Daniel, do you like traveling?
Absolutely. I love exploring new places, meeting new people, and trying different food.
That's great. Let's teach our listeners how to talk about travel plans in English.
Useful sentences. You can say, I'm planning a trip. I'm going to visit another country. I want to travel abroad. I'm saving money for my vacation.
Good. And remember the difference. Trip is usually short. Travel is general. Journey sounds more emotional or long. Example, I'm planning a trip to Thailand. My journey was unforgettable.
Part 2. Booking a flight.
Now, imagine you want to book a flight.
Yes, this is very important.
Conversation, booking a ticket.
Hello, I would like to book a flight to Paris.
Sure, when would you like to travel?
Next Monday.
One way or round trip?
Round trip, please.
Economy or business class?
Economy, please.
Vocabulary. One-way ticket. Round trip ticket. Economy class. Business class. Departure. Arrival. Direct flight. Connecting flight.
A direct flight goes straight to the destination.
A connecting flight stops in another city first.
Part 3. At the airport.
Now you are at the airport.
Airports can be stressful, so English helps a lot.
Conversation. Check-in counter.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to London.
May I see your passport?
Here it is.
Do you have any luggage to check?
Yes, one suitcase.
Here is your boarding pass, gate B12.
Thank you. Important travel words. Boarding pass, luggage, suitcase, carry-on, gate, security check, immigration.
After check-in, you go through security.
Then you wait at your gate.
Part 4. On the plane.
Now you are on the plane.
Let's teach some useful expressions.
Conversation. On the plane.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some water, please.
Window or aisle seat?
Window seat, please. Vocabulary. Seatbelt, take off, land, turbulence, flight attendant.
When the plane goes up, it takes off.
When it comes down, it lands.
Part 5. Arriving in a new country.
Now you have arrived.
But first, immigration.
Conversation. Immigration.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism.
How long will you stay?
For 1 week.
Enjoy your stay.
Key questions at immigration. What is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay? Where will you stay? Practice answering confidently.
Part 6. At the hotel.
Now let's check in to a hotel.
Conversation. Hotel reception. Hello, I have a reservation under the name Daniel.
Let me check. Yes, a single room for 3 nights.
That's correct.
Here is your room key. Breakfast is included. What time is checkout?
At 11 a.m.
Hotel vocabulary. Reservation, reception, room key, check-in, check-out, single room, double room.
Part 7. Asking for directions.
Travelers often need directions.
Yes, let's practice.
Conversation. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, how can I get to the museum?
Go straight and turn right at the traffic light.
Is it far?
No, it's about a 10-minute walk.
Direction words. Go straight, turn left, turn right, next to, opposite, near, far.
Part 8. At a restaurant. Trying new food is the best part of traveling.
Yes, especially local dishes.
Conversation. Ordering food.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like grilled fish.
Anything to drink?
A glass of lemonade, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Restaurant phrases. May I see the menu? What do you recommend? Can I have the bill? Is service included?
Part 9. Travel problems. Sometimes things go wrong.
Yes, and you must know how to explain problems.
Problem 1. Lost luggage.
Excuse me, my luggage didn't arrive.
Please fill out this form.
When will I get it?
We will contact you soon. Problem 2. Hotel issue.
The air conditioner isn't working.
We will fix it immediately.
Useful problem phrases. I have a problem. It's not working. Something is missing. Can you help me?
Part 10. Talking about travel experiences.
Now, let's talk about past travel experiences.
Use the past tense.
Example. I visited Japan last year. I stayed in a small hotel. I tried local food. It was amazing.
Where did you travel last year?
I went to Turkey. The food was delicious and the people were friendly.
What did you like the most?
The historical places and beautiful views.
Now, let's make English more fun with idioms.
Yes, hit the road, start traveling. Travel light, bring few bags. Catch a flight, take a plane. Example, I would like to hit the road to Thailand. I'll travel light because I don't like heavy bags. I want to catch a flight to check Tokyo.
Repeat after us. I would like to book a ticket.
How much is the fare?
I have a reservation.
Where is the nearest station?
Can I pay by card?
Speak slowly and clearly.
Many people feel nervous speaking English while traveling.
But remember, simple English is enough.
Speak slowly.
Smile.
Use polite expressions.
Don't fear mistakes.
Communication is more important than perfection.
You are traveling to another country. Answer these questions. Where are you going? Why are you traveling? Where will you stay? What will you eat? What places will you visit? Pause the podcast and practice speaking for 2 minutes.
Today, you learned airport English, hotel English, restaurant English, directions, travel problems, and useful vocabulary.
You also practiced real conversations and confidence building.
Traveling becomes easier when you speak English confidently.
Keep practicing every day.
Thank you for listening to English Learning Class.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video and share it with a friend.
Comment below, where do you want to travel?
And don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons.
Both. See you in the next episode.